Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 22nd November 2024. In this video, I'm evaluating the performance of high liquidity zones generated in the previous report. Even before that, all of you please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel homepage, you click on the tab posts. Some of you might be seeing the tab community. Click on the tab. You get access to our free training course. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. The same link is also available in this video description. You just click on the link. Now we are into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen our skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this video description. So please join at our Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates, we will be providing at our Telegram channel. Now let's get into the analysis discussion. Yesterday, end of the day report, we identified 8 high liquidity zones from daily and 75 minutes time frames. But we got only one trade, that too it is a bull trap. For Kotak Bank, 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. So our software identified this supply zone as a rally, 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and then a drop candle. And this 75 minute zone is fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame and identified 2 order flows. This is the first one, the bottom one. Drop, base, drop. We have 2 base candles and a drop. And also here we have one more rally, 3 base candles and a drop. The failed ERC candle as a leg out, but it is like a drop candle. If you look at this zone as from the dynamic viewpoint of view. So these are the 2 15-minute zones. Again, these 2 15-minute zones are fine-tuned with 5 minutes time frame. Here again you have a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. You have a drop candle, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and a drop candle. But this zone is already a tested zone. So you can't plan any trade in this zone because it is already tested. And even same is the case here also. We have a rally, base, drop. See here the prices came down and again with gap up it moved up and picked up the orders. This zone is tested because this is at the type 2 proximal. Type 2 proximal is tested here. Here also same is the case. This is also type 2 proximal. Type 2 proximal is tested here. And today, so near to this zone some struggle, but this zone is finally violated. Again it came down, moved up just above this area. Probably there could be some order flow, new order flow is created here. Drop, base, drop. But this fine-tuned 15-minute zone is also pierced. So next time we can't plan a trade here in this drop, base, drop. Actually prices came. It gave a push, came down. But we can't plan the trade because this is not a fine-tuned zone, because this 15-minute zone is also pierced. If it would not have been pierced, definitely we would have planned in this drop, base, drop. Because 15 minutes is also pierced. This drop, base, drop is a normal zone. Look into the 15 minutes. Is there any dynamic zone is created at 15 minutes time frame? It looks like rally, base, drop, but not convincing leg out here. Maybe even if you drawn, maybe you would have got a trade, but I'm not sure whether you will. Sorry, this is 25 minutes time frame. It's not a clear. All these are all looking base candles. No proper leg out here. Prices came, but structure is, unless there is no fine-tuned zones, planning our trades is quite risky. Okay, even this one is also violated because this is also a tested zone, but a little above there is a bull trap at 5 minutes time frame. This is the 5 minutes bull trap. So here you have a drop, 3 base candles and a drop, and how sharply prices came down from this zone. And institutions used this zone as a bull trap, but generally, what happens once prices enters into the bull trap, sharply they will come down. But here multiple times in this zone is almost 1 hour prices were moved within this zone. Because it is a bull trap, there is a strong order flow. It is not letting the prices go above this trap. But finally, at 14:55 onwards, prices sharply moved down and finally reached the target, and then again, once again, this 15 minutes demand zone is pushed the prices up. And the last 5 minutes candle. Why prices were moving around this area for a long period? Because today demand is very strong. And it is a bullish day today. Say Nifty almost 557 points moved up the overall market. Because this is a bull trap, so much of supply is there. It was slowly consuming all these demand, and no more demand is available. Because a bull trap, generally what happens in bull trap, huge order flow will be there. That order flow consumed all this supply. The supply zone consumed all the demand. And there is no more demand, and the remaining supply in this zone pushed the prices up to the next 15 minutes target zone. And how much profit Kotak Bank has given? Let me open the Excel sheet. Kotak Bank has given 5,040 rupees profit from this proximal line to 15 minutes target zone. And what about ROA? This is a 4% ROA. Return on the investment is 4%. Of course, it is less than our average intraday ROA is 6%, but still 4% is good. And moreover, prices reached this zone during the last half an hour of the market at 15:15 candle, 5 minutes candle. It reached and then moved up. If you look into 1 minute, you will know exactly. In this candle, it reached 15:16. And then when it gave the entry at 14:18, almost 1 hour to reach the target. And what about 14:18 to the last candle is here coming out 14:57. That means almost 40 minutes time. It was moving within this zone only, the trap area. Prices were coming, going up, again coming down, going up, coming down, going up. I'm sure some of you know what you would have done. Somewhere here, there could be, you should have drawn a support line, something like this. Because in this area, prices were moving most of the time. maybe somewhere here you would have exited, because from this line again moving, again from this area again they were started moving. Maybe is there any one, because this is 1 minute chart only and there is no 1 minute zone available here. Maybe some 15 seconds or 30 seconds zone might be available, might be acted as a high liquidity zone. Generally it happens, but patience, if you have a lot of patience, if you are waiting till the last hour of the market, here you got the actual result. Here sharply prices moved down and reached the target. Sometimes patience will help you get the maximum returns. Okay, anyway, this 5 minutes bull trap reached the 15 minutes target. So this is about Kotak Bank, and the remaining stocks we didn't get any trades, but let us Aarti Industries, we don't plan any trade in this. The reason is this daily high liquidity daily demand zone. There were some problems with trading view data because of the demerger that we already discussed. So that's why I ignored this stock. And Bandhan Bank is almost last 4 years old zone. 2000, in the year 2000, March 2020. So 15 minutes and 5 minutes data is not available in trading view. So that is the reason why we didn't focus anything. Previously we discussed about this stock. And Burger Paints, this is also a daily high liquidity demand zone, and this zone is created in 31st June 2023. Obviously 5 minutes data is not available in this year. But what happened here recently, prices entered into this zone. This is on 5th June. At the time, the institutions, when prices were moving up, they created a new order flow here. What is order flow? Our fine-tuned 5 minute zones. So that way we got a order flow in this area. So go to the 75 minutes time frame. Here we have a 75 minute zone. So this is a failed ERC candle as a leg in as a rally. You have two base candles and again a rally candle. This is the 75 minute zone. This 75 minute zone again we fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. Again here you have an excellent 15 minute zone. Here you have a 15 minute zone. We have a drop, 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and then a rally candle. So that way this zone high and zone low, we have drawn this 15 minute zone. Again within this 15 minutes we have a fine-tuned 5 minute zone. See here, we have a drop, a base candle and a rally candle. So here you have a fine-tuned 5 minute zone. This is the area actually we planned our trade, but today prices did not enter into this zone. Otherwise we would have got a very good trade in this zone because excellent 5 minute zone. So Burger Paints we didn't get a trade. This is today's candle. Next one is emphasis. Emphasis already we discussed how we fine-tuned this. This is a daily high liquidity demand zone. So we didn't plan any trade in emphasis. Next one is AU Bank. This is a daily high liquidity supply zone. And this zone already we discussed. I think yesterday we discussed about, yesterday or day before yesterday. Maybe yesterday only we discussed how to fine tune this zone, the order flow. Here we have a 5 minutes lower time frame zone as an horizon to this entire daily zone. Yesterday we discussed about this. Here we have a fine-tuned 75, but that doesn't have a proper 15 minutes order flow, so this will be violated. So I already explained yesterday. Look into the yesterday's video to understand about, in case if you did not listen yesterday's video, please listen and understand how I fine-tuned this zone. But anyway, today prices didn't enter into the area. Next one is MCX. MCX is also a daily high liquidity supply zone. So this is a new zone which we didn't discuss earlier. Here we have a rally candle as a ERC candle as a leg-in. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and drop candle. This is how our software identified. And this daily zone is fine-tuned with 75 minutes time frame. Here we have a 75 minute zone. We have a rally, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and then a drop candle. Again inside this 75 minutes fine-tuned with 15 minutes time frame. So this is 15 minutes chart. Here we have a 15 minute zone. We have a drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and again a drop candle as a leg out. This is the 15 minute zone. This 15 minute zone is again fine-tuned with 5 minutes time frame. Here 5 minute structure is not good. So what I did, I went to 1 minute time frame. Why I went to 1 minute time frame, I will tell you. So you have a rally base drop. This is the 1 minute zone. This 1 minute zone is acting as a high liquidity zone multiple times. See, prices entered into the area, came down. Again second time entered and came down. Third time entered, they came down. Not only it entered, again rally base drop is created. LOTL. Such kind of price actions you see in high HLQ zone areas. And once again, this is the third time. Once again they went and from there again it came down. Fourth time. That means the order flow in this area is looking very strong. And then recently fifth time also prices entered into this 1 minute zone. So that's why this 1 minute zone is acting as a high liquidity zone. So until this 1 minute zone is violated, you can plan your trades. And apart from that, this entire fine-tuned 75 minute zone is also having a 5 minute zone as an horizon. You have a drop, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and a drop candle. See, prices entered previously. Again at the time of this 75 minutes fine-tuned zone creation, once again it picked up the orders and it came down. After that, this 1 minute zone is controlling the prices. But anyway, today price did not enter into this zone. Price did not enter into this zone. We didn't get any trade. And the last one is Trent. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. We have a rally candle, 1, 2, 3 base candle. This is a medium size leg candle but part of the base, and then a rally candle. So this is the high liquidity zone. And this zone is having a fine-tuned 15 minute zone. So here you have a drop, base, rally. And here a 5 minute zone is created, fine-tuned 5 minute zone. in the recent price action. So you have a drop, 1, 2, 3, base candles and a rally. So this is the area. Follow through candles are there, so many. Probably this is the area strong order flow might be there. So we can plan a trade here. And also this entire 75-minute zone, including the fine-tuned 15-minute zone, both are having a 5-minute zone as an horizon. Of course, this 5-minute zone is a fine-tuned zone, but this 5-minute zone is started well before the 15-minute zone is created. The 75 minutes high liquidity zone is created. We have a rally to base candles and rally follow through candles. Actually, this candle also you can keep part of the base, but actually the order flow is started from moving up from here and continuation to this. That's why you can combine both the candles as a single. And here this is the area. Prices moved in a narrow range. So this 5-minute zone is the horizon for this entire 75 minutes high liquidity zone. In case if the first one is violated, we can definitely, this is the area, will give a good trade opportunity. But unfortunately today price did not enter into this zone. This is the daily candle. So we didn't get any trade opportunity. Kotak Bank, we already discussed the bull trap. So this is the end of the video. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.